back and second live. Okay, yesterday I was live, but the time is over. So today we are completing our project, and this is my whiteness. First, I am keeping this on our area. Okay. Now I am finding my channel to see what's going on in the camera. Okay, live inverter repairing. Okay, thank you for all subscribers. Here I am live. Okay, first I need to check the audio and video quality. Okay. Hello, audio quality checking. Hello. Okay. Audio quality checking. Okay. All right. Okay, so let's get started. Okay, yesterday we end our live this topic, and here we install a 10 ohm per auxiliary voltage. So now we are starting from here. Okay, where we leave the live. Okay, or end the live. So we need to install here first this capacitor. This is, as you can see, the 4.7 UF. Now we need to check this capacity because I removed this from my old board. Okay, I am here. We have the capacity 4.49, around 4.5. Okay, that's true. Yesterday I was told you we need minimum 4.5 and maximum 4.9. Okay, so our value is best. Now we need to install here. Size is a little bit big and the value is same. Because why the size is a little bit big? Because this is the 350 volt supported. Okay, and our D value capacitor was 305 volt. So first we need to clean perfectly this hole. Okay, and a little bit zooming in. Okay, this is our second live. For this one board repairing. Okay, I think we need to remove from this bottom side. And now here is the time 10:12 a.m. Now we need to place the capacitor. Here we no slide hole. It's a fixed hole. It's a little bit hard to install here. Oh man, I does the mistake. Okay. This is already damaged, but I apply a little bit force and the result is this. Now we need to solder that. First I am checking this value I have or not. Yes, red, black, yellow. Yes, we have this resistor and this board. I am also keeping this board for these components. Okay. And I am note downing this component. After reinstalling, I think this is the 220K. No, this is 200 ohm, 200 kilo ohm. Oh man, let's check again. 197 kilo ohm. Okay. Now we need to remove this pin. You can remove these pins from this side, okay, with the help of sharp user. Okay, this pin was already damaged, but when I apply a little bit force, this was broken. And this is the supernatural help. Okay, as you can see, resistor was already damaged a little bit, connection here, but this is for our goodness. Okay, now we need to clean the hole. First we need to try in this side, on this side. If we can't, so we need to try from bottom side. Okay, where was our resistor? Here now. First we need to confirm. Okay, this is okay, because here is a lot of components and pins. What's going in screen? Okay, the one pin is here and the second is here. This what's going wrong here? Yeah, this is okay. Here we need to install we need to remove the old solder. Okay. After that, I am soldering. Now I am soldering properly this side, okay. And now we need to cut this extra pin, okay. And now we need to clean with cotton swabs. Okay. How are you, viewers? And what are you doing? Are you hearing me? Audio quality is good or not? Now we need to clean this hole, okay, because now we need to place all the components we was removed, okay. I am wearing a gloves for this desoldering pump because where is my glove? Yeah, okay. I found. Thank you for the person who liked my live, okay, and thank you for just viewers, okay. Now here the transformer holes, okay, as you can see this is the transformer holes. You need to remove all the solder, okay, and this live is going very beautiful and joyful after installing this components, okay, because yesterday we spent 5 hours approximately 4 hours and 50 plus minutes, and now this is the second live of this inverter because I was at the previous live of this inverter. I was added link in the description, okay. Just check in which condition we receive this inverter. Very bad condition. In very bad condition we receive this inverter. Let's check. This is the capacitor. This is the lot of carbon, okay. Now we need to clean this and install in check the capacitance of this capacitor. After that we need to install. And if we lost the capacity, then we need to replace this capacitor. Nearly I am purchasing the desoldering station because this is very hard and this is the wasting of time. But I am out of market. I am out of the electronics market. Here is a big markets, but for fashion and smartphones and computers. Look like all the cosmetics. Okay. No, here not available the technologist requirement things. Okay. Now we need to solder all the varistor or SPD pins properly. Okay. Okay. We need to first I am soldering this. This is a little bit hard. Here is man, one pin is there and the second is there. Then why not coming? Okay. Yeah. First I am setting this varistor one pin. Oh, okay man. The reason is that we soldered yesterday from this side. Okay. Now we need to just use a little bit solder to resolder from this side and push. Okay. Now we install all the varistors. Okay. And here now we need to cut this sharp cutting. Okay. This was my mistake. Don't worry, when you cut after the soldering, so you need to resolder again. Okay, or best soldering. Okay, fine. Now I am cleaning. Okay, here are some pins we need to pull out. Okay, we receive a sharp area. Now we need to this. Okay, and the third is okay already. Now we need to cut. Okay, and now we need to clean all this area. After that we need to wash the complete board, okay, with the thinner. Some people are washing the board with the water, but that's not proper board. Here I some mistake. I was just a little bit one print. I was damaged a little bit this print. But we need to remove this. Just you want to see, this is the doubtful, okay, because this is the carbon. Check this, man. Why we remove this jacks? Because this is the doubtful. So we need to throw it because this is a lot of carbon. And I am a little bit worried for this area. Okay. What is here is I'm seeing a little bit upper area. Yes, this was okay. Now we need to install more components, but first I need to clean the bench. Okay. And now I am installing this capacitor. First I am setting the pin from this side. Okay. Okay. And now we need to install. And then again I'm trying from this side. Okay. Keep your finger and learn about, because the components are falling down. Okay. First just temporary solder one side, and after that you can solder this properly. Okay. And now push this side. Okay. We receive the pin. Okay, approximately 1.5 mm. Okay, and this is the 2-layer PCB. If we don't receive, it's okay, but if we receive, it's better then. Okay. Finally we install our capacitor. Now what we need to do, this is the charging section area. Okay, here we need to install the inductor. This is the inductor, and we need to clean this. Okay, because the carbon are not allowed in this area or this pins. Okay, this is a semiconductor. Let's checking how much resistance we have in this carbon layer. Just I want to check this. Okay, we have no any continuity, but sometime I test we receive the continuity. Okay, and mega ohm or kilo ohm, but you need to clean this. Okay, okay, we clean this. Now we need to remove the extra solder. Now we need to put this in, but we need to remove this solder to put this. Okay, as you can see, this is the marking pin. Okay, and here is the marking. Okay, keep your finger. Okay, and learn this thing. Solder here, hold, give a solder a little bit for temporary holding the component. Okay, and after then, when you have hands free, after that solder another side properly. Okay, after that solder this side properly. Okay, now we need to clean. Solder balls here. Okay, now we need to place the capacitor, this capacitor. Okay, so we need to clean this. I am getting a cloth, a piece of cloth. Okay, so you need to wait just 2 minutes. Okay, I get the cloth. Now I need to cut some piece. Okay. Wait, brothers.
ما شاء الله.
I have a friend.
السلام عليكم.
وعليكم السلام.
لا شيء كان لا.
لا يوم بالكل ها.
قال ما خبري بقرشي لك.
Now I am rotating the device. Okay.
ما ايديا الومني روح. ها بس ده شيء ضروري ليه؟
لا يمنو.
يرى
صدق خير زبدل دميت. زلت بيها ويت بولي كم خير نزا. इबा मला परून 5 घंटे लायो मा कळलं मुसलमाना जमा सदल दसो उसूली ता कार बसो मिनट की माता उगर मादल तदा जोड पडली कंप्लेंट्स तसा कॉल गाडी सर
زه پاور بانک دا ډیر ضروری دی
نه د دې سر څه کول غواړي
د دې دا سلونه چې دي کنه دا بالکل ډیټ دی ټیک شو دا سلونه لکه سکند وکړ کې هوته چک کا د دې دا پترې دا شیلر کول غواړي په دې ایڈجسټ کول غواړي
ها صحیح ده زدل د کیو ټیګ لګوم 5 منٹ کی بوشی کنه
ان شاء الله
okay okay viewers I have a little bit work for my friend okay so if you want to wait or leave after 5 minutes I am coming again okay
دا د دې سیل پاور ته معلومه شي چې
هرڅه
دا ولا غلطه کې
هغه نه ښکاري کنه وای وای ته 5 घंटे راغله ما ته خبره ستاره سره 403 او چې څنګه لا یو ختم شو 403 Alien watching the cover. I man ka the god channel so no sabab kai gar da tumhara share lagol.
الله دې کامیاب کړه دا اوس بل یو سیستم کو دا څه دي سره دا
دا ما ته ښکاری کنه چې دلته کیسه کوم دا سکرین خو زمانه پناه لري. Okay, man, learn about the replacing battery. Okay. I do not work like this type, but this is my friend and my best friend. Okay. So I cannot say this. We need to do this work.
سلونه خدا ټیکنیک نه چې دا رو دا مره پاور بانک نه وستې یوز شي نه دی هډیر
ها یار دا ډیر وزنی ني شریفه
دا بار ملګری
Okay dear, now my friend says this cells is better or this cells is better. Now learn about the cell resistance and about the cells quality. Okay, and here let's check the humidity. 4200 milliamperes. Oh man, and the weight is like 25 to 30 grams. Okay, now check how you can check the lithium cell. دا دي زوړه کنه
کمال پرونه دې چې سیلونه پرې خوري
ها
هغه ژړه کپڑا
انا ما وصل على ستايل دلته ما ویټو کې زړه کپڑا او برینس کی شوفا. Okay dears, this is the cell lithium cells internal resistance meter. Okay, یو خراب دغه شو خیر فرق نه کوي. اور ها واسطه سې چې کم سیل
دغه چیک کاوه دا نور به هم چیک کړو.
we need to read this cell's internal resistance. Okay, the meter battery is low. Okay, we need to clean this. This is the very important thing. Okay, if you want to check the cell internal resistance, so you need to clean this point. Okay, and the meter probes is to the side as انا دا لیکومنټ دا خو اکثر زمکه د گزاره ما د سیک یو څو کمپوننټ سي کنه
زما یو آیډیا صحیح و غند روټیشن دا
او خو دې زبردست چې
ډیر خطر راځي.
Okay friends, the one probe is a little bit jammed, but we can read 150 milliohms resistance. Okay, this cell we have. Okay, now we need to clean first. Okay, remember this thing, you need to clean this with the thinner and the cotton swab. Okay, first clean, and after that you need to connect the negative with negative and the positive with positive properly. Okay, now this cell is damaged. Okay, no any resistance and no voltage, as you can see. Now my friend says this cell is damaged. Okay, now we need to check the internal resistance. After that we can say something about this. As you can see friends, my friend say first this cell is damaged and this cell is very good, 31.9 milliohms resistance and 3.852 volts. That's okay. And now the second, this is too good. Now we are checking the voltages with the Fluke 179 through RMS multimeter. Okay, 3.854, 3.854, and my friend says this cell is damaged and told me this cell install with this circuit. I told them first wait, I am checking this. Asin nasta bilkul judle ro. Yeah.
The charge will in a case.
Stava the charger masala igwala. Silly wasum full le 3.854 volts ki sta sil prote ha. Dan male ona ko behtarin sil. Che, Pamanda.
ده هو
Pamanda Che.
शुक्रिया
Lade Sharifa.
ده وش دي ده بيكام يشيل له
Au khatam di.
هذا وش ده تخبل كار دي شاطر
खबरें और नई वीडियो जो 10 बजों को निगम
अच्छा कैसा इंतजार के
5 घंटे लायो
समाचार चश्मे
ताकि कम से कम हो जाए भाई da zaman dah di kali Syarif lari Allah Taala okay friend sorry for waiting but the friend is friend okay they also helping me so this is my duty to help okay now our topic was I cut the cloth but I now not pounding because in this time we get dull mind okay I found a piece of cloth okay don't use this whole cloth for cleaning okay once you clean in this area so you need to found another clean area so this is the best method cut a little bit piece about your need and now we need to apply the 2K thinner okay and now we need to clean the capacitor okay now we check okay okay we clean this now another side for best cleaning okay now you need to throw in the dustbin okay now we need to clean the capacitor pins first from solder but here I have no any solder okay so we need to clean this area okay here are some plugs solder plugs and the pins we need to remove the soldering plugs okay now we need to another 2 pins okay and after that we need to straight the pins okay first we need to straight the pins okay and now we need to this capacitor solder mask okay in the capacitor area okay take care about the polarity okay but I cannot install because this is the original law okay I cannot install it on the reverse polarity because we have 3 pins okay this is a little bit hard to install but first we we cannot this sit on this side. Okay, so we need to very okay. Finally we placed the capacitor. Okay, and it's tightly placed, so we don't need to keep the finger. Okay, just solder temporary one pin. Okay, now resolder perfectly these two pins. I want to boost my soldering station. Okay, perfectly. Nah, ya. Makam may sabog ko ka. Okay, friends. I resoldered all the pins successfully. Okay. Now I am removing all the solder plugs from here. As you can see. Take care here of some SMD sensitive resistors. Okay. For reading the bus voltages. Okay. After that we need to wash all the board with the brush. Okay, we install the big capacitor 450 volts. Okay, now we need to install this capacitor. Okay, first we need to clean this. Cut another some little bit cloth piece. Where is my scissor? Okay, here. Like okay, fold this and clean, as you can see. Okay, now this side, now this side, like this. Okay, first we need to allot of carbon. We need to remove this. Okay, and after that we have a clean another side. So after that we need to finally clean this side. Okay, and threw it in the basket or dustbin. Sorry, basket, not dustbin. This is not the basketball. Okay, we clean the pins area with the help of cotton swab. Okay, so we perfectly clean our capacitor. Okay, and now we need to check the capacitance of this capacitor. Okay, this is the non-polarized capacitor. Okay, non-polarized capacitor. First we need to try a little bit hot air. Okay, now we need to check the capacitance of this capacitor. So set your multimeter on capacitance. Ya, chauras wala. Chauras wala. Google sir. Okay, friend. Now we need to check the capacitance. When you're checking the capacitance, don't touch your skin with the multimeter probe. Okay, 4.5 UF. Okay, and the value is right on 4.7 UF. Okay, so this is true capacitance. Shareholder. Hmm? हाँ हाँ सही और बंद कर. Okay friends, now we need to set the pins. Okay, and now we need to install in this area. Okay, remember the component placing. Okay, areas. Press the trigger. Okay, now this is the sliding hole. Okay, we need to clean for easy installation. Okay, okay, all right, as you can see. Okay, they don't falling down, so keep slowly the board. Okay, man, now we need to install again, and we need to keep our finger. Okay, because they are want to fall down. Keep this middle finger. Okay, and give a little bit solder with the soldering tips to soldering tips. Okay, to soldering tip, and after that pre-solder permanently this side. Alaikum salam. जी चार्जर का جدز ما لاني دي روح توخي لاني بس فراشي دي سوى تدي راشي اوجي. Okay friends, when I am talking with in another language, this is our country language. Okay, so I have a customer sometime because I have the workshop on main road. Okay, people also giving me some devices and receiving some devices after the repairing. Okay, we clean and install this. Now the trunk of the transformer. Okay, and we need to clean this area. So first I want to clean this area. Now this area, the best thing is this. Okay, now this is a little bit. Okay, keep the thinner, give some thinner. Okay, a lot of carbon. Walaikum salam. Ya, boleh benda tu je. موبایل باندې کېږي او نه خیر دومره مازغو بېکاره شوي نه دي
خیر
څه مسله ده دی
دا پته نه لګي هغه کوئی بیټري نه چارج کوي موبایل راکړي چې وایي سمې کله چې کله
temperature ikan tu rekan saja sini dah betul itu
تاسو دې ماته نمبر وایي
tak board banding ikan ada di 0 ke 145 So there, bar volt. هغه سوی سم سره درکې
بیټري نه چارج کوي
سوی بیټري نه چارج کوي دا څه توصیف پیدا دا ته لګره ما سره په دې غږ کې دا بورډ دی کنه بیا مشکل شي ما خلى دي بسيب ده شجره پیدا میټرک چارج کوي یار الته کې به مسله ښه پی اس ټیک ته او بیټری کې به مسله یا دا پاور کیبل راکېدل بس په خبره
صحیح ده
او یو دا ټرمینل ګنده دي دا ورته چینج کړئ ښه یا بس انورټر ټیک ته بهر حال ورګه یو منټ بلک دی لګوم سر دې
ما بل جمعه ته دغه را لګره
څه شو
سیدا دا سیستم ہے
دا بریکر انګه توصیف کړ
دا
انګه دلته یو بل په سوا دا مټیک ده ها دا ولې صحیح شو چې اوس کې ساتي
ستاګر ورانو ډول
ها جی
دا څه شي وې دا
راضی یار ډېر راضی کې دي شي
کوي کنه
دا چې ټیکوم نه راغلي دي نه
ها
ها
ما لګل هغه خو بیا کس کې ما ته هیڅ نه مې زه څه بیا ما ته وایي دا وایي شاید
لاړې الله په امان ها جی Oh, the childs are wailing. Are you hearing? The childs are wailing in the vehicle. Okay, now we need to install the transformer, but first we need to clean the transformer. Why I remove this? Because as you can see here we have a lot of, so first we need to keep the board on the safe area, and after that we need to remove perfectly this transformer. Okay, I am zooming in. Okay, apply the thinner and keep and why we cannot cut this step and this. Okay, because this is a lot of dirty. I am providing some heat, 250 degrees centigrade. Okay, and check what's going on. Okay, now I'm trying to remove. Okay, this is the model number, so we need to don't remove. Take care of your finger also. Okay, to apply some more heat. The temperature is 250 degrees centigrade. Okay, carefully. Okay, now with the help of fingers, and now we need to completely remove this. Okay, okay. Okay, we don't need, okay, because here is the model number, so we need to remove and clean with the cotton swab this side. Okay, okay, now we need to clean this area first for وعليكم السلام. خیر دی خاصه جی
دا پرون بجلی لګېدلې شو وه او د هغې نه بعد یو څو بل به هم سېځلي وو او بیا اوس د هغې نه بعد دغه نه بجلی لکه ورکوله بلبونه ترې لګېدو خو ورکوله یې
صحیح ده چیک کومه ښه
او د مدرسې کار دی که نه هلته وړو ته بیا تکلیف وي
زه ګورم دی خو ټیک دی بس د صرف د چارجنګ ولا چک کول غواړي
چارج ورته ولې نه راځي
زه ګورم دا تار دې لګوي څه مسله نه کوي شارټ ماټ نه ہوتے ها
سره
اوس ولې ګورم چې د نوره مسلې کړي
نه خیر یو څو بل په هم دا شو دغه مو او دا دغه د سپیکر هم سپیکر د ماشین نه هغه هم کې چې رنجر دی
चार्जिंग रहा है हाँ ठीक شو بس ده نو ټیک تسب دغه فیوز مسله ښه
او د سپیکر هغه فیوز بس تر
نه هغه به د سپیکر ورپسې ځای چې د هغې مناسب فیوز درکړي. ښه دا د یو پي ایس فیوزونه دي خو دا تیز دي،
دا غواړي دي ها
نه واړه هم دي او تیز هم دي. دا ولې
صحیح د دې څو شو
ځای ای به بس نه ځای جزاک الله.
دا کار وشو دا
نه جزاک نه جزاک الله جی جزاک الله. آمین. Okay friends, some people don't know about the fuse. This customer give me the UPS and said this UPS cannot charging the battery. They don't know about the fuse tray. And why I am telling again and again, our people like the movies, dramas and films and comedy videos, and after that they're facing these problems. They cannot know about the fuse. Okay, just need to replace the fuse with the spare fuse. But these people don't like the technology videos. And the electricity is main necessary in this world for humans. Okay, now we just protecting like this piece. Okay, and for better result we need to give some glue, but not super glue. Okay, this type of glue for better attaching. Okay, a little bit apply on the cotton swab. Okay, and here a little bit. Okay, and here like this a little bit here. Okay, we need little bit more. Okay, so now I am satisfied from this side. Okay, now finally I want to clean every area from carbon. Okay, this is very beautiful work. Okay, this is my hobby from childhood. Sorry, here I apply thinner, flashing again. Okay, don't worry. This is my duty. Okay, oh, I does one another mistake. I keep the glue side on the bench, so we need to apply more glue because I keep on the bench, and the bench here. Okay, through it, and now I need to apply more. This live was going very long, but after the live, a person who don't like this part, he can skip to double tap or triple tap for 90 seconds and much more. Okay, now our transformer is okay. Now we need to clean this carbon from these pins. Okay, now I am taking care of this side. Okay, every repair person need to this cleaning and this caring of inverter, because this is the lightning thing. Okay, the lightning device don't compromise on these devices. Okay, imagine if your inverter disable in the midnight and there are no electricity utility, so what can happen in the dark? Okay, we clean. Now I am installing. Okay, I was add the description of first live of this inverter. You just look at the condition of board, and after that, before and after, just you look at in what condition I received this board. Now we need to place the transformer. Okay, first we need to check all the holes are open perfectly, completely. Okay, this is okay. Now we need to check the pins. We need to straight. First we need to install. Okay, this is not in this pins. Okay, don't apply the force. Okay, if one or two pins is not with the same, okay, you can sit with the help of tweezer to set the position on the hole. Okay, and now apply a little bit force. Okay, finally we put our transformer successfully and clean. Now keep your two fingers and keep the board on this side. Keep your soldering wire like that. Okay, like that. Okay, now you need to provide some solder to your soldering tips and temporary attach with one pin here and one pin here, just for temporary holding this transformer. Okay, and push to set. Okay, now set your soldering station on 480 degrees centigrade and solder this permanently. I want to show you closely. Okay, and if you want more zooming, you can zoom from your device. Okay, now you need to proper solder this. Okay, one thing I want to show you, my tip is not fully activated. Okay, so set your soldering iron tip our iron station on 320 degrees centigrade and get this soldering tip activator. Okay, this is the soldering tip activator. Take a screenshot for searching, for purchasing. Take a screenshot. Okay. Okay, now the method is that dip and this tip activators. Okay, now you can see before and after. I want to show you closely. Okay, okay, now I am soldering. I am setting my soldering iron on 480 and I want to solder it perfectly. Okay, after that I am showing you closely. Okay, just once I solder it. Okay, now you can solder perfectly. Okay, that's okay. This side. Okay, 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 and this is the last one. Okay, set your soldering iron again in 300 for saving your tip life. Or increasing your tip life, what you want. Okay, clean this because here high frequency voltages. Around about 35 kilohertz. Okay, this transformer is operating on 35 kilohertz frequency. Okay, this is our charging section. Okay, so after that we are washing all the board. We need to wash all the main board. I am cleaning my bench again. A little bit particles here from the customer's UPS fall down. Okay, so now we need to install more components. Okay, I am now installing this capacitor. I removed this capacitor for this thermopad yesterday in live. Okay, now I am placing. First I need to remove the solder from the capacitor solder mask. Okay. Okay, after this capacitor I want to install the DC capacitor, and after that we are installing this heatsink. Okay, and after that we need to apply the voltages. Okay, keep your finger like this. Okay, and set the board like this. I'm telling again, you set your solder like this. Okay, I am zooming out a little bit. Okay, oh man, I need to AI camera. Provide some solder to your soldering tip, temporary apply, and after that your hands is free, and now permanently solder this. Okay, permanently solder this, and once they dry, okay, after that you can remove resolder this permanently. Okay, and now you need to clean this soldering flux. Okay, okay, now we need to remove this capacitor solder mask, and I want to install this heatsink because we need the board stability. Okay, so now I am installing this heatsink. First you need to check here are no any solder balls. Okay, for good heat contact. Okay, first we need to set our heatsink with the heatsink bottom screw because here are some solders. Okay, this is not, don't use in this area. Okay, this is for this bottom side. Okay, here is one another screw up for bottom side, you can see. Okay, and after that we need to tight this. Okay, now we need to check this with the hand sensitivity. Okay, okay, this is perfect, and now I am tightening that man. Okay, freely install this screw. Okay, like this in the fingers. Okay, this is the second. Okay, and the third. Sorry. I touched the mobile phone. Nearly I am installing the best studios, cameras and audio system, if God will. Okay, because here I not found. Wait friends, about 1 minute. Okay, around about. I have a customer. Okay, ahora quiero di basikum inshallah. Di basikum. सही ठीक नमणा दा लाइव तू गरज पक्का मतरका कार को नम परन 5 घंटे में वो लाइव करला बस आइदा दा सोय म घंटा रवाना दा 1 घंटा और 30 मिनट को शो दे च पक्का हालात किरा कर दा बुग हुए सही दा स्टार्ट शो दे नो हो डाउनलोडिंग की मसला शते अपलोडिंग सही दे او ګورئ دا اوس ما ګوتې راوړې نه دا لا اوس تقریبا دومره ده خیر صحیح دی. Okay friends, now we need to remove. Why our board is not okay? We have this screw. We need to remove. Okay. This is our instability reason. First we need, but I forget it. Okay, now we are checking the stability of the board. Okay, now our board is stable. Okay, so now we need to quick clean this solder mask. Sorry. Also use this type of tip, okay, for this working. This is the best tip for this working. I have many types of bits, but I am using this for this type of soldering and desoldering. Okay, now we need to clean these two other capacitor solder masks. Okay, I need to the desoldering pump nearly because here is a wasting of time, you and me both. And why they, okay, our targeted area is here. It's okay. It's okay. Okay, finally we clean, and our capacitor is already clean. This is clean, and I think, sorry, I touched my head with the mobile. We need to clean this, but it's good if we clean all. Some people are thinking about earning the money, okay, and some people are thinking about giving the service and immunity. This capacitor value is 35 volt and 4200 UF, okay, 4200 UF capacity, okay, and 35 volt, and this is also using an 24 volt systems. Okay, now our capacitor is clean, and now we need to remove the extra solder, okay, for easy installation. remove like this. Okay, I am removing the solder. If you can't like this, you can use the soldering wick, but you need to remove all the solder, okay, from the pin. Okay, now we need to clean this side all of the capacitor. Okay, clean this. I applied a little bit more than thinner, but don't use here because here the capacitor internal side is in the oil, capacitor oil. Okay, oil or any liquid, whatever. Okay, now how you can place with the easy method. Okay, I am removing some tools from this side and keeping on the left side because first you need to install this capacitor. Okay, okay, take care of the polarity. Okay, remember the polarity. Okay, okay, it's not for this. I think some solder. Okay, okay, we have a little bit more solder in this, but I am trying in this area. Okay, after that, learn, keep your fingers like that or don't falling. Okay, and fold. I don't know what I need to say for this, but understand the situation. Okay, keep your shoulder like that. Okay, give some solder to your soldering tip like that. Okay, and attach with this. Okay, temporary, just for holding the capacitor body. Okay, I hope you are understanding. Okay, just temporary to hold the capacitor. Okay, my soldering station is down. Now I boost again. Okay, now your hands are free. Okay, now boost your soldering station on 480 for this big soldering. Okay, solder this perfectly and melt perfectly. Okay, now this. Okay, if I keep on this, so the capacitor is falling down, so we need to solder this. Okay, after that we need to solder this, and after that we need to fit the capacitor. Okay, like this. Okay, okay, now the turn of this, as you can see, the pin is outing. Okay, from the surface area. Okay, now the turn of this, keep your this middle finger. Okay, on the capacitor and pull up. Okay, pull up or push up. Okay, push up. Okay, now we need to permanently solder these pins. Okay, now that's okay. Now I am cleaning and showing you closely. Okay, this was not perfect solder. Now okay.
Can I come in?
Yes, come man. يا قبل أقول لك خلاص يا مرازوس وسشيكا وشيء الله سبوي ما جنتر أول نتيجة جنتي بيجا لا يوم أديو device. Okay friends, we need to clean this cut. Okay, this is for high frequency voltages cut is. Okay, so we need to clean this. Okay, and after the repairing we need to wash all the board with the 2K thinner. Comments mubyachan dikadiyo sip the post kadade was the temperature sade the soldering station. Okay friends, now we need to install another heat sink. Okay, and after that you need to just wait 2 minutes because I need to some tea and fruit cake because I am hungry. إذا أولي ورد أغيت السوجة كم بيمان زين مالك خرابان ويا قدي ودي ويا نعم مالا بيمان. Okay, take care in this time. Okay, and you are installing the heat sink. Now we need to install the heat sink screw. Okay, like this is the heat sink bottom side screw. Okay, sorry for dirty fingers. Like a blog. Mazur Allah, the lion. The starless, the Sandana Sadik, Mazur Margaret and Mazur Mamma. How can I win? Oh, no. Okay dears, now I am installing the final screw of the heat sink. Okay, and now we need to tight this permanently. Okay, I am just a little bit tightening with the help of this. Okay, and after that we need to manual screwdriver, the sensitivity of human body, like that. Okay, yes, this is confirmed and perfectly tight. Now we need to install here a screw, but remember one thing, you need to install here the screw with the isolator. Okay, don't use here this screw, okay, because these MOSFETs are isolated from this heatsink with the help of this thermopad and this isolator, okay. Okay, don't apply the force, okay. If the screw is not tightening, so you need to fix the MOSFET with the hole, okay. Apply some needed force, okay. Freely, as you can see, okay. I am rotating with the fingers, okay. This is kahaikan we mulu simple lagi, simple lagi lagi. Nak ada tu cici nak ada. Dia tak mungkin. Like that was the day khabar nishani that the screw pre round. So mungkin. So this is the symbol of okay, I does the mistake. Remember, okay. But finally, we need to check the continuity with heatsink, like in yesterday live. I was added the description in the link, the video description. I was added the link in this video description. Okay, this is free. Okay, we need, and now I am telling you something special. Yesterday I was told you, but here are some new viewers. Okay. चौदह okay. Now we need to install this cover of the thermal switch, okay. This component, you think about what is for. This is the thermal switch. If this heatsink got the 120 degrees centigrade, this thermal switch is off, okay. So the MOSFETs are disabled in this time. Okay, we need to install the final screw, and after that I am ordering tea and fruit cake for my breakfast. This is my breakfast. Okay, now I am just checking the continuity, okay. We don't need any continuity with this MOSFET's drains and with this heatsink, okay. So how you can check this? I am showing you the multimeter. Wait man, I am set the position, okay. Now you can see the multimeter, and here is the MOSFETs, okay. First you need to check the continuity, okay. Now I keep the multimeter negative probe on the heatsink, and as you can hear, okay. Now we need to check one by one MOSFET drain to check this continuity, okay. Now we need to confirm this continuity. That's okay. So it's final, okay. Now we need to check this. Now we need to check this continuity, okay. These two MOSFETs are isolated. Now the turn of the third. Okay. Now we need to check this continuity. Okay. So we have no any continuity. This is okay. And now wait. I am just calling to the person who delivering the tea and foods. Okay. new user راځي هغه ته ما سیب دغه وکړی دی چې ته خو خبره واورېده په دې ټایم کې نیو ویور راځي هغه نیو ویور چې راشي وایي کار ولې نه کېږي نو دا یو ټیک دی چې یاره دلته کې 2 منټه ته صبر کړه 2 منټه بعد زه راځم خدا نبل نصر الله بیا مونږ او دا داسې نصر الله چې به ستړی شوی او په ایمان کې داسې ستړی کېږي پرون پکې یو کس کمنټ وکړو زه په یوټیوب کې په داسې ویډیو پسې ګرځم ایله مې اوس بیا ما چې زه چې ټرانسفارمر کولا هغه ټایم او 6 ګنټې لا راغلم دومره خوشحاله مطمئن بیا کله مې نیکستان کېږي مړه اولېږه هسې څنګه کانفیډنس برابر دی ښه به شم okay until we receiving the tea and foods so we need to some work okay we need to clean this area here is a little bit acids comes from the battery because here are people using the flooded batteries lead acid batteries one of them as you can see the green solder mask the green mask is removed why here come the acids and you know the acids are very bad for copper and colors etc okay now we need to again making for this the green mask okay we have the green mask don't worry this is the green mask okay and now we need a 1 cotton swab to invest in this area get a little bit green mask okay and apply I am applying on this copper area who have no green mask for the humidity okay humidity weather humidity okay now we need to provide the ultraviolet light okay I am closing my eyes or I need to wear a sunglasses or welding glasses I am using okay provide approximately 30 seconds okay okay friends now you need to wait 5 minutes okay 15 kesan mesti gue tadi semua. Oke. زمك بيقولوا أكثر تعمل شان كمان لما الجري بسبيشل ما بري خاندي وزي مستر شغال لاج مان لاج
لا لا
لا ابن لاج
لا وينك
زي ما خير ما already مرجري بحر فيديو زي इंग्लिश स्पीकर में 15-18 ये ना बगैर टिकट टैग में देना है पाए Thank you, man. Bang great bन रहा है. Bang great बन रहा है. अबे यार इसके बच्चे इधर आ. चलो ख्याल भी करेंगे. Okay, that's so easy. Wanna do you go live every day? 11:59. Yes, Lona, I am live every day. I'm writing. Here they have got the mention. Yes. I every day. Must have some of the customers that are full and reason. The hard was like this guy. Mag, mag. Those were like 4 subscribers. Because of much as a triple live watch and they magaro ko ba او دې په دې سي حالات کې راغله زه دا بیا ویډیو وخم ته به چې دا تاسو څنګه صفه کو د خو د صفه یې ستاسو چې لا یو ما ختمه کړه 473 او 23 ګنټې واټ ټایم پرون زما 34 ګنټې لا واټ ټایم په اخر was breve de baccia do figli di legge per tasca in tutto voi passi o speciali a te lo speciale non è dai da passation chiaro un exo un час work time hours But the time update peaking update should have suspicion for its fashion. The X of just the X of yes. Was it that live update that we can know that but just start getting update. Kasama da bini nor bara ya bara shwin. بس discard ko mong kami sa start ko ha. 2 minutes بعد Studio am kuma Dari sarjana passa ini oleh tiga ya da ma da fara karta bai da sauran da layu cuma sa su rufar masu fara ko bari sa pa ko da bala bai ne bai di da welcome back. Okay, yes, we need to install this MOSFET screw. Screw box screw table. This mesh keluar mana? Dawan this mesh keluar lagi dah. Pada size. ما يخانش ترى بدل شو نا فدا شيب كيو غورك نقص كلر كده نقص سايز يعني دانه شتي بقى لا غير غت ما ممكن है जागा दा बाडै दागा नबी उस जाई बतना में basta di tutti sei sciocchezza Luna, where are you, man? Or female? I don't know. You are female or male, but you can't wait for your reply. 11:59. You type your message or comment section in the comment section, and I replied you on the 12:05. So 6 minutes approximately. You cannot wait for your answer. Okay dears, we installed finally the MOSFET screw, and now I told you in yesterday, and now I am telling you, keep all the MOSFET screws are in the board screws in one another box. Okay, and when you removing the main board screws, keep this in another box. Okay, now I am sure all the screws are placed on his places. Okay, now we have just this two for this MPPT charging induction coil. Okay, so now we need to install our transformer. Okay, first we need to remove this glue from this area. Okay, one thing I miss to show you here, I applied the green mask. Okay, and after that I provide the ultraviolet LED. Okay, LED light, ultraviolet. So now we need to clean this glue. Okay, with the help of a smooth thing, not use here a metal. Okay, we just need the solder mask area for cleaning. Okay, this is not necessary. You can remove this glue with this sticks. This is the teeth toothpicks, okay, but I am using here. I don't like the meat, okay. I am using this for this, okay. They can't cut the copper lines, okay. If you want to cut the copper line, they cannot cut, okay. Finally I removed, and yesterday live I was does mistake. I a little bit damage this green mask, and the removing this glue, as you can see in the middle of this white line, I was does mistake a little bit, but we have a green mask, so we need to apply a little bit green mask tissue. For this little bit area you need to this toothpicks, okay. Apply a little bit, okay. Apply a very thin layer, okay, because we don't need for thickness, just we need to protect the line from the humidity. Oh man, you are the best. And now we need to wear the sunglasses or welding glasses, and now we need to provide the ultraviolet LED lightning. Okay, that's done. Ulah. Ini agak. Baru boleh tahu. Lagi dong. Okay, let's try. Okay. Now we need to remove the solder from this solder masks, okay. Set your soldering station or soldering iron on 300, okay, because this solder mask is very thin, okay. And I want to remove this solder with desoldering wick, okay. छाड़ी चाकवान दबान तावी zaman sare mazbuti यार तो जिमे पोरस मा मोबाइल तब मख कतल यार औरिंग ना तो ما इज जमारो रूम चलता मजबूर है माना ما इज ना मजबूर को okay. I am zooming in to show you. Where man, okay, here, okay. This is for internal NTC or HDR, okay. Some companies installing this HDR, heat dependent resistor. Some company are installing here, and some company or brands installing in the transformer, okay, for heat measurement, for temperature measurement, okay. That's okay. Apply some soldering plugs to the desoldering wick, okay. Okay, now I am cleaning, and after the cleaning I am showing you closely. Provide a little bit hot air for drying, okay? Okay, now I am checking. Okay, here was a little bit thinner or liquid solder plugs. Our holes is now very clean, as you can see. Okay, now we can install the transformer finally. صدق قضیه خو ته نګټې ځکه زه خو بار بار وایم صحیح ده که نه زمونږ سوري بس ټیک ده که نه زمونږ د وینټیسي سوري خان راوړه ته چې څومره خان دی ماله مزه راکوي وایي ولې په ایمان ځای مې چې یو سوزکی لاړی په دې بازار کې وګرځېدل چې هرکه دا لږ داسې ګډې وډې وایي چې څومره یې دا خلک ګوري چې زما دا چینل زر مونیټایز شي ګوره د هغو دا سوچ نه دی موږ قوم ولې تباه یو تا ته پته شته زمونږ سوچ کنده دی بالا موږ چې یو که نه بس چې سوری نوم موږ واورېد که نه زمونږ ډایرکټ کم طرف ته فکر ځي دقې طرف ته فکر ځي زمونږ دپاره صرف د سوري معنی څه ده یا د غونډ سوري او یا د اوږد سوري بس د دې وجې موږ غرق یو اورېد ته ولې وایې چې زه یو کې ته لاړې هلته انسانیت دی هلته دا خبرې نشته نو ته ماته دا ووایه که ته د ځان لپاره پاکستان یو کې جوړی که نه ته په انسانیت شه قسم په خدای ستا دپاره دا یو کې دی زما دپاره دی نه زه دوی سره لګیا یم یو بیډ کمنټ وګوره په دې غلط انګلیش کې زه لګیا یم ځه راشه ته فلم یا ډرامه په داسې انګلیش کې جوړه کړه قسم په خدای چې خلک زما کې ودانګي Okay friends, I remove all the extra solders from the transformer pins. Okay, I'm zooming out and nearly I am installing the best camera setup and audio setup. Okay, we need to clean the pins from the soldering plugs. Okay, I'm getting a new cotton swab. To the crew.